Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your cryptocurrency with Binance step by step clearly. To begin, open your browser and navigate to the Binance website. Log into your Binance account using your email and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one first. Once logged in, find the security settings in your account dashboard. Enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, for added security. You can do this by choosing either Google Authenticator or SMS verification. Follow the prompts to set up your preferred method. Once 2FA is enabled, ensure you back up your recovery codes in a safe location. Next, proceed to the security section of your account. Here, enable withdrawal whitelist addresses if it's not already activated. This feature will restrict withdrawals to only the addresses you specify. To set this up, navigate to your profile and select the withdrawal settings. Add your trusted wallet addresses you wish to use for withdrawals. Make sure to double-check each address for accuracy. After you've added the addresses, confirm the changes. Now, let's set up a strong password for your account. A strong password should be at least 12 characters long with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Change your password if it's weak or if you haven't updated it in a while. Next, review any active sessions in your account. Log out from any devices that you do not recognize. It's crucial to keep track of where your account is logged in. To further enhance security, regularly monitor your account activity. Review your transaction history for any unusual activity. If you find any suspicious transactions, act quickly by changing your password and contacting support. Lastly, keep your software and devices updated to ensure you have the latest security patches. By following these steps, you will significantly enhance the security of your cryptocurrency holdings on Binance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.